plant kingdom, also known as metaphyta. It includes those organisms which are unicellular or multicellular, eukaryotic, and producer. That means autotrophic. Though majority of the members of plant kingdom are autotrophic, very few are heterotrophic. Those heterotrophic members are either saprophytic or parasitic. Few autotrophic plants are insectivorous. They fulfill their nitrogenous requirement by catching and digesting the insects. Plant kingdom is a large group and can be divided into two major subgroups. One is known as cryptogamy and the second one is known as phanerogamy. Cryptogamy includes those plants which are flowerless or which do not develop flower. In other words, cryptogamy are also known as non-flowering plants. On the other hand, phanerogamy includes those organisms or those members of plant kingdom which can develop or which bear flower. In other words, this group is also known as flowering plant. Cryptogamy can be divided into three subgroups. These are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta are those plants or those members whose body cannot be differentiated into root, stem, and leaf. Normally, plantor bodied তিনটা specific organ থাকে, root, stem, আৰু leaf. কিন্তু কেনেকুৱা কিছুমান organism আছে, কেনেকুৱা কিছুমান members আছে যাৰ বডিত এই structureবোৰ দেখা পোৱা নাযায়. Such structures where root, stem, and leaves are absent are known as thallus. And the algae are those members of plant kingdom whose vegetative body is a thallus. That means algae are Thallophyta. Bryophyta and Pteridophyta will discuss these two groups gradually. Phanerogamy. Phanerogamy has two subgroups. These are gymnospermy or naked seeded plant and angiospermy or higher plants. Angiospermy has two categories. One is dicotyledons and the second one is monocotyledons. Vegetative body. Algae unicellular হ'ব পাৰে, multicellular হ'ব পাৰে. যদি unicellular হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে গোটেই বডিটো এটা সেলেৰে ফৰ্মেশন হ'ব আৰু বডিটো কভাৰ কৰি পেলাই এখন কমন মেমব্ৰেন থাকিব যিখনৰ নাম হৈছে মিউচিলাছ মেমব্ৰেন. এই মেমব্ৰেনখনে algae সেলক বেলেগ বেলেগ এনভাইৰনমেন্টাল ফেক্টৰছ পৰা প্ৰটেকশ্যন দিয়ে. যদি algae multicellular হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে বডিটো ফিলামেন্টাছ হ'ব আৰু ফিলামেন্টাছ algae বডিত তিনটা পাৰ্ট থাকে. নাম্বাৰ 1 হোল্ড ফাষ্ট, নাম্বাৰ 2 ষ্টাইপ, নাম্বাৰ 3 ব্লেড. হোল্ডফাষ্টৰ ফাংচন ৰুটৰ নিচিনা ই এনকৰেজত হেল্প কৰে য'ত এলগি গ্ৰ' কৰে সেই ছাবষ্ট্ৰেটামত এলগি এটাচ হৈ থাকিবৰ কাৰণে হোল্ডফাষ্টৰ হেল্প লয় ষ্টাইপ হৈছে ষ্টেম লাইক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা ফটোচিনথেচিছ কৰা অৰ্গেনবিলাক ডেভেলপ হয় আৰু সেই অৰ্গেনবিলাক লিফ লাইক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ বা তাক লেমিনা বুলি কোৱা হয় হোল্ডফাষ্ট ষ্টাইপ এণ্ড ব্লেড these are not actual root stem or leaf but their function is identical this is an example of unicellular algae this is abundantly found in the aquatic area this is colonial algae ইয়াত কি হয় যে বহুতো ইউনিসেলুলাৰ এলগি একেলগে থাকে এটা ইউনিট হিচাপে থাকে আৰু সেই ইউনিটটোক এটা এটা কলনি বুলি কয় এই কলনিক কভাৰ কৰি পেলাই এখন কমন মেমব্ৰেন থাকে এইটো এটা মাল্টিসেলুলাৰ হায়াৰ এলগি এই এলগিৰ এইটো হৈছে লিফ লাইক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ইয়াৰ নাম ব্লেড বা লেমিনা আৰু এই ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ পৰা লেমিনা ডেভেলপ হয় ইয়াৰ নাম হৈছে ষ্টাইপ mode of nutrition as the members of algae are autotrophic so they can prepare their own food for that purpose they possess a special cell organelle which is known as chloroplast or plastid normally plastid contains two components one is grana and the second one is stroma in plastid of algae, grana are absent. But interestingly, the components of grana, that is, the thylakoids, are present. Stroma আৰু grana এই দুইটা বস্তু লগ লাগি পেলাই এটা প্লাষ্টিড ফৰ্মেশ্যন হয় গ্ৰানাত থাইলাকইড নামৰ কিছুমান কম্পনেণ্টছ থাকে এলগিৰ প্লাষ্টিডত গ্ৰানা নাথাকে কিন্তু থাইলাকইড থাকে আৰু সেই থাইলাকইড বিলাকৰ নাম হৈছে ফটোচিনথেটিক লেমেলি LAMELLE The lamella contains photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, B, xanthophyll, etc. In some algae cells, beta carotene, chlorophyll C, fucoxanthin, etc. are also present. These photosynthetic pigments prepare the food, which is a variety of carbohydrates. The reserve food material includes starch, mannitol, laminarin, etc. Now, reproduction. In algae, three types of reproduction are found. These are vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Vegetative is the most common mode of reproduction in algae. It takes place through cell division, tuber, by fragmentation, adventitious branches, by bulbil, etc. These are the different methods of vegetative propagation in algae. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in algae takes place by spore formation. Different types of spores which are produced by the members of algae are zoospore, aplanospore, autospore, tetraspore, echinate, carpospore, hypnospore, etc. These spores can form new algae. Sexual reproduction in members of algae is common and it is of three types: isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous. এই ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ ওপৰত আমি ডিটেইলছত নেক্সট ষ্টেপত ডিছকাছ কৰিম vegetative reproduction. It is a simple and most common mode of reproduction in unicellular as well as in filamentous algae. It takes place in different ways. Number one is the cell division. It is a common mode of reproduction in unicellular form. Here, a parent cell divides equally into two daughter cells. Next is the tuber. Tubers are spherical or swollen structures which are normally developed near the rhizoids. Rhizoids are special root-like structures which help in attachment of the algae. These tubers mainly contain carbohydrate or starch. They have reproduction capacity. Fragmentation. It is a common mode of vegetative reproduction in filamentous form. Here, the filament breaks into small pieces or fragments. Each of such fragments can form new algae. Adventitious branches. These are special structures developed near the rhizoids. These structures are identical to the branches and hence called adventitious branches. They form new algae. This is a thallus of algae and these are the adventitious branches. These branches can form new algae. Bulbils are small bud-like structures which normally develop near the rhizoids. After maturation, they form new algae. Asexual reproduction. In algae, asexual reproduction takes place by different kinds of spores. These are number one, zoospore. These are motile flagellated spores. They can move from one place to another. Aplanospore. These are very thick-walled, non-flagellated spores. They can withstand unfavorable conditions. Autospore. These spores are produced by the parent cell. They remain inside the parent cell. They have identical shape and size with the parent. After maturation, they are released from the cell and form new algae. Next is tetraspore. These are special spores produced by diploid sporophytic plant of red algae. The plant body is a sporophyte and it undergoes meiosis cell division and produce the spores. Echinate. নৰ্মেল ভেজিটেটিভ চেলৰ নিচিনাই কিন্তু ইহঁতৰ চেল ৱালখন খুব ডাঠ হয়। এটা ফিলামেণ্টত বা এটা ফিলামেণ্টাছ এলগিত সাধাৰণতে দুটা বা তিনিটা একাইনেট থাকে। যেতিয়া এনভাইৰনমেণ্টেল কণ্ডিশ্যন এবনৰ্মেল হয় তেতিয়া গোটেই ফিলামেণ্টডাল মৰি যায়, খালি একাইনেটবিলাক ছাৰ্ভাইভ কৰে। আনফেভাৰেবল কণ্ডিশ্যন যেতিয়া অভাৰকাম হয়, নৰ্মেল কণ্ডিশ্যনত এই একাইনেটৰ ডিভিজন হয় আৰু ই গৈ পেলাই এটা নতুন ফিলামেন্ট ফৰ্ম কৰে। কাৰ্পোস্পোৰ। কিছুমান ৰেড এলগিত সেক্সুৱেল ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ পিছত কাৰ্পোস্পোৰেঞ্জিয়াম নামৰ কিছুমান ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ডেভেলপ হয়। এই কাৰ্পোস্পোৰেঞ্জিয়ামৰ ভিতৰত কাৰ্পোস্পোৰ প্ৰডিউচ হয় মিয়োসিছ সেল ডিভিজনৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি। এই ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো হৈছে কাৰ্পোস্পোৰেঞ্জিয়াম, এইখিনি কাৰ্পোস্পোৰ আৰু কাৰ্পোস্পোৰেঞ্জিয়ামৰ লগত প্লেচেণ্টাৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি এটাচ হৈ থাকে আৰু এইটো হৈছে প্লেচেণ্টা। হিপনোস্পোৰ। আনফেভাৰেবল কণ্ডিশ্যনত কিছুমান এলগিৰ প্ৰটোপ্লাজম সেল ৱালৰ পৰা টোটালি সেপাৰেট হৈ যায়। সেপাৰেট হোৱা প্ৰটোপ্লাজমে এখন থিক মেমব্ৰেন ডেভেলপ কৰে। এই মেমব্ৰেনখনৰ সৈতে প্ৰটোপ্লাজমক কোৱা হয় হিপনোস্পোৰ বুলি। যেতিয়া হিপনোস্পোৰ ফৰ্মেশ্যন হয়, ইহঁতি আনফেভাৰেবল কণ্ডিশ্যন সাৰ্ভাইভ কৰিব পাৰে। যেতিয়া নৰ্মেল কণ্ডিশ্যন হয়, তেতিয়া থিক ৱালখনৰ ডিগ্ৰেডেশ্যন হয়, ডিজলভ হয়। Sexual reproduction in algae. In algae, sexual reproduction takes place by fusion of gametes. These gametes are produced by unicellular or multicellular gametangia. The gametangia are generally non-jacketed. That means a protective layer is absent. The gametangia may be unilocular or plurilocular. Unilocular gametangia. UNILOCULAR, unilocular. It means single chambered. Plurilocular. PLURILOCULAR, plurilocular. It is also known as multilocular. Multilocular gametangia are those structures which have lots of chambers. These gametangia, either unilocular or plurilocular, produce male and female gametes. On the basis of nature of gametes, the sexual reproduction in algae can be divided into 3 categories. The first category is isogamous type. Here, the male and the female gametes are exactly similar to each other. Both bear flagella, that means both are motile. This is a male gamete and this is a female gamete. No one can differentiate the male gamete from the female gamete on the basis of external characters. Anisogamous type. It is the second type of sexual reproduction. Here, the male gamete is much more smaller than the female gamete. Rest characters are same. This is a female gamete and this is a male gamete. These two gametes are 100% identical to each other except size. The third category of sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Here, the female gamete, this is a female gamete, is spherical or oval shaped. It is non-motile. That means it lacks flagella. The male gamete, this is a male gamete, is much more smaller than the female gamete and it is motile. It bears flagella.